Hi, this is Carly with glutenfreerecipebox.com, and I have a new delicious egg roll filling, gluten-free of course, and I want to show you my method of rolling them. And here we have a bowl full of water. I'm using a pie dish here, and we're going to place well, here I already have one in, but you'd place a rice paper and let it soak for about 45 seconds. This one's probably a little over, probably more like a minute. It just makes it more pliable. And if you want it a little stiff, you don't want it super soft, otherwise it's just too limp to roll. So you're gonna fold over or roll over one, push the filling over the center, fold the end over, do the same thing on the other side, push the filling to the center, fold over, and roll it towards the end, and then place it in you can use a baking dish if you want, but I use a cookie sheet, and you would just repeat that. And now we're going to take one of the egg rolls and place it in the batter. I'm going to cover it with the batter. Our deep fryer is preheated. Shake off some of the batter and drop it in. You can probably fry about 2 to 3 at a time if you have a large fryer like this or a large pot. And you'll just fry that until it completely is golden, about 5 to 7 minutes. And taking them out of the oil, just wait till they get golden brown like this, and place them on a paper towel lined plate. Let it cool a little bit before you serve it, and serve it with a wonderful red sweet and spicy sauce.